Our new Facebook app supports different visual designs, letting you choose how content is displayed based on your business needs. Customize post layout, duration, image fit, themes, and colours. You can also enable QR codes and the Facebook banner to help viewers access your page more easily. To display your Facebook posts directly on your screens, go to the Apps tab and add the Facebook app. Give the app a name and an optional description. Then log into your Facebook account and select the page here, but just note you must be an admin of the page. Select the display mode, grid or post view, and adjust the rest of the settings. Modify the style and advanced settings if needed. Then click Save and the app will be ready to display. Add the app to your screen content, push to screens, and your app will be displayed in moments.